Hi! In front of me is Realme GT NEO 3T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Realme. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and choose Privacy. Now you need to click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case SMS. Now click on one of your apps, I will go with Google Play Store, and tap on one of those options, allow or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And now when I go back, Google Play Store no longer has access to my device's messages. If you want to, you can always go back, select any feature and manage the app instead. So for example, I will go into microphone to manage my camera. From here, you need to choose see all camera permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!